welcome to my channel. This morning we are going to make a Hygge breakfast. But what is Hygge? Bless you. Hygge is a Danish concept, which means basically your home, it's cozy, it's warm, you can eat whatever you like. Okay, I do the healthy version of Hygge. And it's all about conviviality and being with people or being alone in a warm and cozy environment. So this morning I'm going to show you how to make my Hygge breakfast. And it all starts with tea. For my Hygge breakfast, I love Earl Grey or English breakfast because, I don't know, it reminds me of my childhood. Something very personal, but you can have whatever tea you like or coffee. Also works very well with coffee. While the tea is brewing, I start with my oatmeal. For this, we are going to need shredded coconuts, gluten-free oatmeal, peanut butter, blueberries, and plant-based milk. So of course, Hygge is not all about the inside, the food part. It's also about the outside. And something I really believe in is that when you do a nice presentation, it always tastes better. I personally like my oatmeal very liquidy, so I put a lot of plant-based milk and very little oatmeal. This is instant oatmeal, by the way. It's the only one I can find that is gluten-free. Sometimes I put my oatmeal and plant-based milk in a Tupperware and I put it in the fridge and it becomes overnight oats, which is absolutely delicious. But I still put a lot of plant-based milk when I heat it because I like it very, very liquidy. A lot of people who are starting with a gluten-free diet always think, geez, I'm not going to be able to eat carbs. But yes, you do. This breakfast is gluten-free, lactose-free, also vegan. And you can make some very warm carbs breakfast as you wish when you are gluten-free. So now that my oatmeal is very runny, I like it runny, I don't know, what's your opinion? I pour it in a beautiful dish. And what I always do is I add more milk because I like it like a drink. Then I will decorate it like Pinterest